Hello guys, it's boy Nasir here. I'm back at again with another YouTube video. Now this one you're gonna want to pay attention to, stay notified for the next videos. And today I'm giving you out free stocks. So if you click the link down below, you will get a free stock. I repeat again, if you want to get a free stock, click the link down below. It'll be worth $5 to $1,000. So if you and it's commission free, so when you trade or sell, you don't even have to pay anything. So this will make you a lot of money if you know what you're doing. And if you have any questions, please DM me. Other investment app. I only use 2 investment apps currently. As you know, guys, everything I show you on YouTube is what I do to make money. So yeah, get on this. It's an amazing. So if I were y'all, I would sign up for this website. Y'all have a